Hi, I'm Sharon Mikesells, and we're going to have coffee on the veranda. It's a special edition from Delco, Idaho. I'm at the Village of Trees RV Park here in Delco, Idaho. Have my coffee in hand, and we'll be chatting with you this morning. And here's some things about why this is a special episode. Well, you'll be seeing me in different locations because I haven't been able to do different locations before. So I'm going to move around our campsite and chat with you with my coffee, and we'll bring you up to date on what we're doing. If you look real close behind me, you'll see a walker and a cane. Those are things I'm not using currently, but I do still have them around. I use the walker to get in and out of the RV because the handles to use the stairs don't reach long enough. So I'm able to grab the bars on the walker and get in and out of the RV. It's just a little bit of extra help. And heck, I've got the walker. And the cane, I use it occasionally when we go places where we're going to walk a long ways, just in case, because there might be some uneven, steps or the ground's a little uneven. Just a little bit of a security, but for the most part, I am walking around, albeit with a limp, pretty much unaided these days. So you're probably wondering, are you able to ride that tricycle that's behind you? And the answer is not quite yet. I'm working on the all around pedal movement. I'm able to get on and off it easily now, so that isn't the problem. It's the circular motion of my left leg, or I'm sorry, my right leg. My right leg had the surgery, and I have to get the full movement back to be able to pull the pedal all the way around. But we're getting there, and it's getting closer every day. So many of you are probably asking, so what is it that they do with hip replacement surgery? Okay, that requires a sip of coffee to really tell you what it's all about. It's a pretty drastic move. And what they do is they cut the top of your leg off and they replace the ball joint, and they actually replace all of the ball joint. That includes the part that it's connected to in your hip with a prosthetic. It's not a minor surgery, although you're in the hospital fairly minor amount of time. I was in overnight, and but my leg was swollen for a good 2 weeks afterwards, and they say everyone's healing process is different. So for me to say, oh, you'll be up walking around within a couple days, well, they do make you get up and walk around pretty much right after surgery. But you're not really walking unaided for a while because there's some healing process going on because as my physical therapist said, they've done some major construction work in there. So it took a while, and but I'm feeling much better now, and I'm pretty much back to normal. Walking with a limp, like I said, but where that's getting better every day. So hopefully, by the time many of you see me in person again, I'll be pretty functional. Here is another tip for those of you who might be considering hip replacement surgery. Find a pedicure place that will be able to do your feet up nicely afterwards, because you might not be able to bend over the way you like. And check out the Skechers slip-in shoes. I bought these because my feet had swollen a lot after surgery, and they're also very comfortable and fun to wear. Some of you may also be wondering about physical therapy on the road. Since I do live in an RV full time, I did tell the surgeon that, and they arranged for home health care for a while. I mean, it was going to stay for a while, but we decided to leave Laughlin, Nevada, because the over 100-degree days were just zapping the crap out of us. And so we decided that we were going to go up to Utah and visit our daughter and her family. So I got a referral to go on the road and to get physical therapy. And we did get some in Payson, Utah. And I went there for 2 weeks and they were very, very helpful. They knew that I was only there temporarily, so they tried to condense what they were telling me into something that I would be able to use on the road. And so far, it's been very, very helpful. And I definitely recommend that if you're going to be an RVer on the road doing this sort of thing, make sure that you've explored the options of getting the physical therapy on the road like I did. And that was very, very helpful towards a better recovery. Enough about me. How is the Village of Trees RV park? Well, it's a village of trees. There are lots and lots of trees here, so it's pretty shady. And you may remember this scene from a short that we put together about lean-to, a cover that blew over during a really freak rainstorm. Well, it's back now, and I'm not sure if you can really see it in this picture, but it's back. Everything is back to normal, and they are watering. This is a tent area, and there are tent campers here on the weekends. And how's the toad doing? The toad is fine. We have to wash it fairly often because there's no shortage of car washes in the area, so we're able to do that. We did wash the windows on the RV because it's a bug magnet these days, but it's summer. The scene here is of our cooking station. Yes, Burl's been at it again. He's been drying a lot of things in the new little ninja thing that we've got. It's dried out some apples and some pineapples, and that's been very good. And then we have our trusty Kenyan grill that I won in a contest many, many years ago that's still going strong. And all of this is electric so that we're not violating any outdoor cooking rules here or at any campground. So you might wonder where we're going from here now that we're able to put some stickers on the map again. We have reservations in Montana and Wyoming coming up. So you'll be seeing some sticker ceremonies from those places probably really soon. We're not going to be doing a lot of traveling this summer because we're going to be back in Quartzsite for the winter, and we're looking forward to that. And we'll see you on the road soon. But in the meantime, enjoy your coffee on the veranda, wherever that veranda may be.